teachers and friends. I am Komal, student of MSc Maths FYIP Semester 4 from Kanya Mahavidyalaya, Jalandhar. Today I am going to present you one of the most fascinating instruments of ancient Indian astronomy called Nadi Valya Yantra. This instrument is a special type of circular sundial used to measure the time with the help of the sun, and it can be seen in one of the famous observations like Jantra Mantra. This yantra consists of two circular dials facing to the north and the other one facing to the south. Both aligned parallel to the Earth equatorial plane. At the center, we place a rod called gnomon, which casts shadow on the surface of the dial. The working of this instrument is based on the Earth rotation and apparent motion of the Sun, due to which the position of the Sun appears to change throughout the day, and the shadow of the gnomon moves accordingly, and allowing us to determine the local solar time by observing where the shadow falls on the marked scales. A very unique feature of this yantra is that only one dial works at one time. This happens because of the Earth axial tilt, as from March to September the sun appears to the northern part of the sky and the northern facing dial is used, while the September to March sun shift to the southern part of the south facing dials become active, whereas the other dials remain inactive because the shadow does not fall properly on it. Another interesting aspect that the southern dial also contains making in ghatis, which is an ancient Indian unit of time where one ghati is equal to 24 minutes, showing that this instrument was designed to measure time not only in modern hours but also in traditional units, reflecting the deep connection between science and cultures in ancient India. This yantra demonstrates the advanced knowledge of geometry and astronomy possessed by the ancient Indian scholars, and it was developed under the patronage of Maharaja Swami Jaya Singh II, who built several such observations to promote scientific learning. Even today, we can demonstrate its working in sunlight by using a simple model where the shadow of a stick, a circular surface, helps us understand how time was measured in the past. In conclusion, this yantra is not just a scientific instrument but a symbol of Indian rich heritage, showing how our ancestors used simple observations of nature to achieve remarkable accuracy in timekeeping, and it continuously inspires us even today. Thank you.